Hey guys, I know that some of you struggled a little bit in navigating Canvas the first week, so I wanted to make a quick video for you guys just to help you out so that hopefully we won't have those same problems moving forward. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to come here to the EMS ISD homepage. When you get here, you're going to click on the Students tab. So let's go ahead and do that. When you click on the Students tab, it's going to bring up this page right here. You're going to want to scroll down until you see your SSO or Single Sign-On Portal. Let's click on that. It'll bring you to this page and you log in with your the exact same login credentials that you always do. So I'll go ahead and put in mine. And it'll bring you to this page with a bunch of different application options. You want to scroll down until you see Canvas. When you see Canvas, go ahead and click on it. And it will bring you to your home page that has all of your available courses. You will see that I have two basic courses, all right, my pre-AP class and my on-level classes. These classes are a little bit different, but the process for finding your assignments and submitting them is exactly the same. So let's just go ahead and click on this one. So I click on this one, and one of the cool things that Canvas does is it allows me to see things from your perspective. All I need to do is click on Student View. So I'm going to click on Student View to ensure that the instructions I'm giving you are exactly what you need from your perspective. So very first thing you want to do is read this stuff right up here on top because it'll tell you everything you need to know. It says how to find your assignments. You will access assignments from this homepage. There are underlying links next to the little calendars below that will take you to the week's assignment. Do not click on the assignment tab on the left. This takes you to your submission page. So it says that the underlying links are below. So let's scroll down just a little bit. And here they are. Here are the little calendars that I reference, and here are the blue links that I talked about. So you'll see that there are now two. This was for last week. If you haven't done that, you need to go ahead and click on that link and make sure that you get those things submitted. Most of you have already done that, so let's go ahead and click on the second week assignments. So we'll click here. And here's everything that you need to know. You can read down here, and it'll tell you that there are two different sections. There's a must-do section and a may-do section. The may-do section is obviously optional, but the must-do section is stuff that you are definitely going to have to do for this week. So let's go ahead and click on it. All right, you'll see that it opens up a little PDF, and here are the two columns, reading and writing. Notice it tells you to choose one. So you have two options, Article 1, Article 2. When you click on the blue little hyperlinks, it'll take you to the actual assignment or the actual article. You can read this assignment about how high school seniors are missing out on the final portion of their high school careers, or you can click on this article here that discusses how millennials aren't taking the coronavirus seriously according to a top World Health Organization official. So whichever article is more interesting to you, you can choose to read that. But you are not simply asked to read it. You have to write a CER, which is basically just a short answer. We've written plenty of short answers in class. So if, depending on which article you choose, you're going to have to write a short answer that responds to the question that is being posed to you here in these boxes. So if we come back over here, I have a little link that tells you how to write a short answer response. You click on that, and I give you some step-by-step instructions. It opens up a little PDF. You click on it. It tells you that CER stands for Claim, Evidence, and Reasoning, and it tells you what needs to be included in each one of those steps. If you still need a little more additional help, I've also included some sentence stems down here for you. So, the one last thing that it asks you to do right over here is to choose one of the writing assignments. You can keep a pandemic journal, or you can write a literary piece. I have also included my expectations for how to handle those things right here in this link right here. So if you click on that, it'll again open up a little PDF, and I tell you what my expectations are if you go with a pandemic journal, or if you decide to write a poem, a piece of fiction, or a piece of drama. My expectations for completing those things is right down here as well. So basically, that is all you need to do to find your assignments and to have a little additional help from me. If you have any other questions, of course, you can email me and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Once you have completed those assignments, then you come over here to the assignments page or the assignments link. You click on it, and here's week 1, here's week 2. We click on week 2 to submit, and then you'll hit Submit Assignment again, and it gives you some options. If you've saved it as a Word document or a PDF, you can do it as a file upload. You just choose File, find it, upload it, and submit. You can also type things directly into Canvas. If you hit text entry, you can just type up your response right here on Canvas, and when you're finished, you can submit it there. If some of you are a little more creative and you like to create websites, you can create a website, put your URL address right here, and then hit submit, and I will be taken directly to that new little website that you've created, and I'll be able to view your work from there. If you record things, you can also record them directly here, or you can upload the media that you create, and then there's also Dropbox and Office 365. Once you've uploaded things, you just hit Submit Assignment, and if you're really worried and you're not sure whether or not you submitted things properly, you can always send me an email and I'll let you know whether or not I've received things. So hopefully this helps you out and you understand exactly what it is you need to do. Really, all you need to do is scroll down, find the week, click on it, open up the assignments. Any additional help that I provided for you is also there, and then come over here to assignments and submit it. It's as simple as that. So hopefully this helps you out. And we don't have as many questions about navigating Canvas, and more of your questions pertain to the actual work that you are being required to submit this week. Like I said, if you have any additional questions or any concerns, you can always email me. I look forward to seeing your work for this week. Thanks.